Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a Toyota Wish number 93. I believe there's only one color of this in the normal series, which is light blue, as we have here. And anyway, let's get on with the review. So, nothing much for the box, 2011 right here. And yeah, it's pretty much it for the box, so now let's get into the car. Pretty plain car, I must say, but it is actually quite a nice casting. This Wish, I think, is no longer in production in real life, and in Tomica as well. And this one is from 2 or 3 generations ago. I think it should be three generations ago, something like that, in the Tomica series. So anyway, for the front right here, well, the grills and stuff, just no tampos whatsoever, just plain blue, bumper just blue, and your front grille, not really grill, maybe a grill right there. Also, just a bit of matte black thrown in, but still mainly blue for the front. We also have silver front light tampos in there, and the classic Wish badge. So it's not really a Toyota badge, but some like a half of a Toyota badge. Anyway, for the roof, it's just plain blue, and for the side, another plain blue thingy. So now over here, this one, I don't know if this is a window, I forgot, but it is pretty nice. Just blacked out here, continuing on right around to the boot, which is also blacked out because the boot opens. I'll just do that later. And we also have 5 studded chrome wheels with a suspension. For the back, we also have a rear light tampos for both sides in red, and half of them go out with the boot when you open it up. Inside it's just black plastic, so nothing too interesting over there. For back bumper, we have, well, still plain blue, and above the number plate right here, it's just silver, and then a normal Toyota badge. For the side, also pretty plain, and have a petrol cap right there, and, rectangle, squarish thing. Also, over here for the base, 2009 Toyota Wish, made in Vietnam, and number 93. So this car is pretty plain, and anyway, before I talk too much bullshit about that car, I'm still wondering if I should have a live stream tonight. So I haven't confirmed yet, but if I have one, it'll be at 8 p.m. tonight, so yeah, just do look at my channel at that time if you happen to be free, because I may have a live stream, not guaranteed, but I'll well, see if I'm free at that time. So yeah, I guess thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe, and I may see you again later.